What's going on, everybody? We got some exciting news for you in this week's build.
So we're not doing one, we're doing two builds in this video, and it's for this year's Rhode Island Home Show.
So basically, we are actually giving away a free coffee table. So we're actually going to show you that process. And on the other hand, we're also building a massive pine bar, which is 32 inches wide by 16 feet long for the House of Brews.
And the first step in this is we're gonna head over to our sawmill and we're gonna grab our pine log and we're gonna cut these slabs down.
So we just got back from the mill, and here they are, these monsters. Can you pan to that real quick? So these are so long, they won't fit through the door, so we had to back the truck in here. And now our good friend Chuck over there is going to hopefully safely unload these, and we're gonna put them in the kiln. So now we're going to take you to our kiln to kind of show you how all that works. So this is honestly a state-of-the-art vacuum kiln system made by iDry, and you basically can, which I've stated this before, you can dry lumber about 10 times faster than a conventional kiln. So if actually Sean can pan to the screen, we've got some soaking wet pine logs in here, and our vacuum went down. It just went through a drain cycle, but the red line is how much is your temperature. The blue line is your vacuum, and then the green line is the humidity. So obviously there's tons of humidity in there right now. It's going to keep climbing for about a week, and then it'll slowly and gradually work its way downward. And that's when you start to realize and know that things are getting pretty dry.
All right, so now while the pine is drying for about 21 days, we're gonna do a second project, and that's a free coffee table. We're giving this away right now on libertylumberproducts.com. And the first step is we're gonna kind of go through what we have for live edge slabs. We're gonna pick our lumber, and we're gonna go with some black walnut. Now that we picked out our slab, we're gonna mill it up and pop it into our form. After that, we're gonna mix up some color shift pigment in our Wise Bond epoxy and pour it into our form.
All right, so for this giveaway, and for most of our projects, we use eye candy pigments. They have so many different colors, a wide range of colors, and this one is actually a color shift. So it's actually gonna look like two colors depending on where you're looking at the table from. So it's pretty unique. And you can also get this on our website, or you can go on Eye Candy's website as well, and we have the link below.
All right, so now it's been about a week. We're gonna pop it out of the form, send it over to our planer, plane it down flat. We're gonna square it up, and we have the joyous moment of sanding. Sanding and sanding. All right, so now after hours of sanding, we're ready to apply the finish. We're going to do some Rubio Monaco Pure. Now that the finish is applied, we're going to add the legs, and this bad boy is finished.
We appreciate you actually following our channel. We are up over 2,000 subscribers at this point, and it means the world to us. Obviously, you kind of like what we're doing here. So this is part 1. For part 2 of this video, we're going to be at the Rhode Island Home Show, April 4th through the 7th. We're actually going to be raffling off this beautiful table that we created. And we're gonna have some challenges with this 16-foot pine bar. You'll see that in part 2. There's a challenge in the timing. There's a challenge in how we're actually gonna flatten this because our jig is only 12 feet long. So it's gonna be pretty entertaining to watch. We'll catch you in part 2 of this video. Click that bell, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you for watching.